Hello guys, welcome to summerautoparts. So today's video I'm going to introduce the parts which is in front of me. This is Snorkel for the Defender 2020, and it's obvious the matte black which is same as original design and original colors. But today I want to introduce the accessories for the Snorkel which we do not introduce before. As we can see from the pictures I show you on the PowerPoint, this is a car which I installed the Snorkel before, which is gloss black, which is much modern design, and this is much off-road design. So we have two options. But one more point is this gloss black is much high price than the matte black. As we know, the painting is expensive. So to the point, the one is the A0 I want to introduce today. This one is from the car we can find on this place. And before we install the Snorkel, the step for installation is to make the hole. To make the hole on the original A0, which makes most customer is very worried and they don't want to waste or cut any parts of the original one. And we can find there comes the hole which we need to fix on the car like this, and we need to make the holes here to fix them together. That's why we have the idea to make the A0 to replacement the original ones, which is much convenience and economical for you. So on this part I want to introduce is not only the A0 accessories we have on stock right now, and also want to show you the painting the gloss black colors. As we can see, the gloss black color is much more higher price of the Rover and the painting cost, and the most car we coming maybe without the gloss black. So this is a step to replace all the A0 from the cars that are modification like the L663 style. And on the another point, which is I want to tell you, I don't want to cut the holes on my original A0, so I don't install the A0 back. Before we don't have these parts, I don't cut the holes of my original A0 and install the Snorkel directly, which makes the car is more noisy when I drive on the way. So this is much necessary to have. So today's video is a quick video because of the lockdown. We cannot go outside to the garage to show you more details. So only the products introducing for you guys. On the Friday, I'm going to introduce the parts which also showing on the desk this